Guys, today I'm going to be making some elephant toothpaste. And so some of the materials that I'm going to need are going to be an empty plastic container, something maybe it can be a bottle or anything like that. I'm going to be using some dry active yeast. Okay, so I have about 2 packages here, just in case. And then some warm water, okay, that I have. Some warm water and some liquid dish soap, a lot of that, but I don't need all that. Okay, and then I also am going to be using some hydrogen peroxide that you might find in your medicine cabinet, helps cuts and things like that to make it feel better. And then some measuring cups and spoons I will need here, and some food coloring. It's those little containers here, right? Those little food coloring bottles always seen. And a container to mix my yeast and warm water in a little bit, as well as, some scissors so I can open up those yeast packages. And of course, safety first, so I'm gonna have some goggles. I'm gonna make sure I have my safety goggles on, okay, to protect my eyes during this experiment. Well, it didn't quite turn out the way I thought. Something must be up because this stuff looks a little different than what I saw in the video. But, you know, it's my elephant toothpaste and it didn't work out. But I'll try again. See you next time.